chassis is the Cantonese version of roasted pork. The outside is sweet, the meat is tender, and it's just so good. It melts in your mouth. And the sugar is gonna help caramelize the meat. The key to the best ever chassis is a killer marinade. I'm using a pork butt because it's extra fatty and juicy. And the garlic is a good way to kickstart that marinade. It's gonna give it that bite. Salt, to bring out those flavors. White peppers for a little bit of heat. And Chinese 5-spice. I think it is the most aromatic spice blend out there. And the sesame oil is gonna give that nutty, aromatic flavor. A little goes a long way. And 2 hits of saltiness. We got some dark soy for that color, and the light soy for that taste. Chinese people have been using soy sauce for over 3,000 years. And the Shaoxing wine, the rice wine, is gonna give it that nice fragrance. And hoisin sauce, it's sweet, it's velvety. It means seafood in Cantonese, but it actually doesn't have any seafood in it. Go figure. The red bean curd, you gotta look at this. This is the key ingredient for that distinct color on the pork and give it its salty flavor. Some of that juice too. It's time to work that marinade into every part of that pork, front and the back. Look at that color. And when it cooks, it's gonna have a nice caramelization. For maximum flavor, you want to marinate this overnight. And this one, I did yesterday. Because the pork marinated overnight, look at that deep, rich color. And the flavors are all soaked into the pork. And the water is gonna do 2 things. It's gonna steam the pork while it's cooking and not dry it out. And also it'll catch all the marinade and the dripping from the pork so the pan won't burn when it's in the oven. It smells so good in here. Look at that color. And the key to barbecue pork is to baste it with honey. I'll be doing this a couple of times. It is so ready. I can't wait to eat this. So excited. Look at that bark and that dark crust. That's my favorite part. This is one of my favorite all-time Cantonese barbecue meats. Digging in. That marinade is just killer. So sweet, and that bean curd really made a difference. And that honey, so sweet. This is such a treat.